Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel ScoreBlue subscription. My dear friends, if you have taken any kind of subscription, or you can select any kind of treatment on ScoreBlue, and by mistake if you have taken any kind of subscription, then how you can cancel. So basically there are only two methods by which you can cancel your subscription. The first one method is like via calling. Okay, so first of all you need to visit on their official website. On the official website they have provided their phone number, like you can see on the top side of your window. They have provided their phone number, and when you can say like type ScoreBlue, then you can also see like their phone number is also available on this front page of your Google, okay, or search result. So you can call on their customer support team and you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your subscription. They will guide you each and everything, okay, and they will cancel your subscription. They will ask you some questions and then you can easily cancel your subscription. If this method will not work, because in most of the cases the customer is complaining like they are not, you can say like unable to get in touch with their customer support team and they are not able to cancel their subscription. So you can do one thing, like you can send an email. You can say like this is the email format. You can we can take help with ChatGPT, or you can you can like copy paste this text, or you can say like you can directly compose an email. In the email you need to provide each and everything, and you need to provide you can say like your information related to subscription, your account name, your account user ID, if any, subscription plan, starting date, ending date, and you need to provide a, you can say like reason for cancellation, and you can also like ask a proof of cancellation in the end of the, you can say like email body, okay. And once you complete each and everything, you just need to simply send this email at this email address like support@scoreapp.com, okay. And you can use this email, or you can visit on their official website where you can find their contact information. Each and everything they have provided on their contact us page. You can also use their contact us page, and you can cancel your subscription by using this method, okay. And there is no other method. Or you can use this email also, like support@scoreblue.com. you can also use this email in the CC box, or you can say like in the to box, okay. So when you send your email, like when you compose this email, you just need to simply send this email at this email address support@scoreblue.com, and you can also use this email like support@scoreapp.com. Once they receive your email, they will contact you very soon, and they will ask you some questions, or they will guide you each and everything. Like if they cancel your subscription, they will notify you like your subscription is cancelled, okay. So this is the only method. There is no other method, okay. So my dear friends, if you're facing any issue, you can make a comment, and don't forget to cancel your subscription. Otherwise you have to pay lots of fees in the form of subscription, you can like fees, okay. So this is the information. Please make a comment if you have any questions, okay. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.